Pinterest website verification tutorial. Boost your reach and credibility. Want to take your Pinterest strategy to the next level? Then claiming your website is a must. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to verify your domain on Pinterest so you can unlock rich pins, Pinterest analytics, and make sure all your content points back to you. Why claiming your website matters? When you verify your website, Pinterest connects your domain to your account. That means any content pinned from your site shows your profile name and picture, gives you access to analytics, and unlocks rich pins. It's essential for credibility, branding, and growth. Where to start? Claimed Accounts section. Head to your Pinterest business settings and scroll to the Claimed Accounts section. Enter your website URL, and Pinterest will offer 3 verification methods. Choose the one that works best for your setup. Method 1. HTML tag. First is the HTML tag method. Pinterest gives you a meta tag to copy. Paste it into the section of your homepage. If you're using WordPress with a plugin like Yoast SEO or Rank Math, you can easily paste it into the plugin, no code editing needed. Click Verify back on Pinterest when you're done. Method 2. HTML file upload. Next is the HTML file method. Download the file Pinterest provides, upload it to your website's root directory using FTP or File Manager, then visit the file's URL and hit Verify. Method 3. DNS TXT record. The third method is DNS verification. Add a TXT record to your domain registrar's DNS settings. Log into your registrar, like GoDaddy or Cloudflare, paste the code Pinterest gives you and save. This one can take up to 24 hours to verify. What happens after verification? Once verified, your domain shows as claimed in Pinterest settings. You'll now unlock rich pins, showing metadata like titles, prices, or recipes. Pinterest analytics for engagement, clicks, and traffic. Automatic attribution. Your name appears on every pin from your site. Protecting your brand. Claiming your site means no one else can take credit for your content. When someone pins an image from your website, Pinterest automatically links it to your account. That's a win for traffic and brand protection. Multiple sites and integrations. Running multiple sites? You can claim more than one domain. Just verify each one individually. If you're using Shopify or Etsy, Pinterest offers direct integrations that make the process even easier. Optimize after verification. After verification, keep the momentum going. Use high-quality visuals, keyword-optimized descriptions, and consistent branding. This helps your pins rank higher in search and drive more clicks back to your site. Don't forget to maintain. Remember, verification isn't always forever. If you change hosts or redesign your website, you may need to re-verify. Check your Claimed Accounts section regularly to stay in control. Claiming your website on Pinterest isn't just a tech step, it's a strategic move that helps you grow, protect, and measure your content. So take a few minutes, pick your method, and get verified. Found this helpful? Give it a like, subscribe, and comment below. Have you claimed your site yet? Let me know which verification method worked best for you.